Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm going to show you how to upgrade your memory on your MacBook laptop. So I've got some couple memories from Mac Memory. Ordered it online. I'll put a link in this video for you. And you're just going to start by unscrewing the bottom of your MacBook. So I think this was a 2015 that I changed this one on. So definitely a little slower than what I was looking for. So this really helps out a lot. Let's go ahead and remove all the screws. There's way too many of them, so that'll take a few minutes. You should be down to the last one or so. Definitely press pause and take your time. You might need a special tool, like I had to order a little toolkit there. So yeah, it takes a while to unscrew all these, but that's okay. It'll be worth it. It'll be much faster when we're done here. I'll put the screws in a safe spot. You don't want to lose them. Like I said, there's a ton of these screws, so. So once you're done there, we're going to remove the bottom. So it's not too hard. Should just pop right off there. And it's kind of dusty, so go ahead and blow it out. And how to pull this little memory out is you actually push down and then slide out on both of them. So push down and then it pops right up. We're going to open up our new memory. So just slide that out once it's popped up. Notice the sticker side is up. Going to come in handy when we install the other ones. It may not be like that all the time, but that's how it was for mine. So push down and then slide out. Okay, so we're gonna put the new ones in. So sticker goes up, you have to push it in and then pop it down. Let's do the other one. So I think I went from 2 2s to 2 4s, so now I have 8 gigs of RAM, which is definitely helpful. So the bottom one was a little messed up. I'm going to pull this top one back out and re-clip in the bottom one. Make sure it goes all the way down. There we go. Go ahead and place the top one in, push down after you slide it in. Alright, we're looking pretty good here. So I'll just do a quick view for you. That is where it goes. Let's go ahead and put the top back on. I did all the screws, so you don't have to watch me do that. You can pause it and do your own. You can even test it before you actually put the screws in. That would be helpful. So I'm just going to go ahead and power up my computer. It takes a few minutes here. It's a very slow computer. So checking out the new RAM, then you're going to go to System Preferences. And you can just check out the storage on the device or the memory. And right there, I'll zoom in real quick. You can see that now I have 8 gigs. Amazing. So I just doubled my RAM upgrade there. And that's about it. You can find me on Instagram at David Esau. Please share, like, and subscribe.